Welcome to this guided meditation on the senses of Denmark. Take a deep breath and let yourself sink into a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and allow yourself to fully relax. As we begin, let's focus on the sense of sight. Imagine standing in the middle of a Danish landscape, surrounded by rolling green hills and fields of golden wheat. The sky is a bright, deep blue, dotted with fluffy white clouds. Take in the beauty of the natural surroundings. The way the sun dances on the water of a nearby lake. The way the leaves rustle in the gentle breeze. Next, let's focus on the sense of sound. Listen to the peaceful sounds of nature all around you. The birds singing. The soft breeze blowing through the wild grasses. The distant hum of a farmer's tractor. If you listen hard enough, you may even hear the distant sound of children laughing at the Tivoli Gardens amusement park. Allow yourself to fully immerse in these soothing sounds. Now, let's move on to the sense of taste. Think about the delicious flavors of Danish cuisine. You savor a warm, flaky pastry filled with sweet, tangy fruit. Next, you indulge in a hearty bowl of Danish stew made with tender pieces of meat and vegetables. Allow yourself to fully savor the flavors and textures. The sense of smell is also an important part of experiencing Denmark. Take in the fresh, clean scents of the countryside, the green hues of the grass, the bright pinks, purples and yellows of the flowers. You may also catch a hint of the salty sea air, as Denmark is a country with a long coastline. Allow these smells to transport you to a peaceful, serene place. Finally, let's focus on the sense of touch. Imagine the warmth of the sun on your skin, the soft grass beneath your feet, the gentle breeze against your face. Dip your toes into the clean and refreshing harbor water to wash away any worries you may have. Allow yourself to fully experience these physical sensations and let them bring you a sense of calm and relaxation. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a deep breath and allow yourself to fully return to the present moment. Remember the peaceful sights, sounds, tastes, smells, and touches of Denmark and allow them to bring you a sense of calm and happiness. Thank you for joining me on this journey of the senses.